Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set Safari to close tabs manually or automatically after 1 day, 1 week or 1 month on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and from the home screen tap on settings. Now in settings we then scroll down and then tap on Safari. Next, go down in here and then tap on Close Tabs in the Tabs section. Then in here you can choose to set Safari to close tabs manually or automatically after 1 day, after 1 week or after 1 month. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.